In the frozen wilderness of the Arctic, survival is a delicate dance. Among the ice and snow, one of the most unexpected partnerships unfolds: a mighty polar bear and a clever raven. What connects these two vastly different creatures? Let's explore the fascinating, almost mystical bond between these Arctic survivors. The Arctic Caste. Polar bears are the rulers of the Arctic, embodying strength and resilience. Ravens, on the other hand, are the tricksters. Small, but incredibly smart. These birds are known for their curiosity, problem-solving skills, and playful nature. But what could possibly link such an imposing predator with a mischievous bird? The symbiotic relationship. It turns out, ravens and polar bears have a unique, mutually beneficial relationship. Ravens often follow polar bears during hunts, waiting for the opportunity to scavenge leftover food. To the raven, the polar bear is a moving buffet, offering scraps of seals and fish that would otherwise be hard to find. But the relationship isn't one-sided. Ravens are known to guide polar bears to food sources, such as seal carcasses or even human camps. By cawing and circling above, ravens effectively act as aerial scouts for their giant companion. Intelligence meets strength. The raven's intelligence is extraordinary. These birds are problem solvers, capable of mimicking sounds, using tools, and even playing pranks on other animals. Polar bears, while not known for playfulness, are curious by nature. This shared curiosity might explain why polar bears tolerate the presence of these opportunistic birds. Psychologists suggest that this tolerance could be rooted in a concept known as social intelligence. Ravens have been observed forming bonds with wolves, and now we see a similar dynamic with polar bears. The bear may instinctively recognize that the raven's presence could be beneficial, leading to a form of unspoken cooperation. Legends and symbolism. This unlikely duo isn't just fascinating to scientists. It's inspired legends and myths. In some Arctic cultures, ravens are seen as messengers or tricksters, symbols of both wisdom and mischief. Polar bears, meanwhile, are often revered as symbols of power and resilience. Together, they represent a balance of intellect and strength, a partnership that has intrigued humans for generations. What we can learn. So, what can we learn from the bond between polar bears and ravens? In the harshest conditions, survival often means forming unlikely alliances. It's a reminder that strength and intelligence aren't always in competition. They can complement each other. This dynamic duo shows us that even in the wild, cooperation can emerge in the most unexpected ways. Did you enjoy learning about the Arctic's most surprising friendship? If so, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Drop a comment below and tell us, which Arctic animal partnership would you like to learn about next? See you in the next adventure.